Hello and welcome to this abstract reasoning tutorial. My name is Matthew and in this video I'll be going through 3 common abstract reasoning questions. Before I go through each of the questions, I'll be setting a 20-second timer so that you can have a go at the questions yourself. And then once the timer runs out, I'll go through how to get the correct answer. All of the questions that I'll be going over will look similar to this one. To answer these questions, you need to be able to spot the pattern that the series follows, and then you'll be able to work out what the next figure will look like. So give this question a go yourself, and once the timer's up, I'll go through it. Okay, so to answer this question, there are 3 rules that you need to be able to spot. The first is that the white triangle rotates 180 degrees. So in the next figure, the white triangle should be pointing to the left, so we can rule out C. The second rule is that the black triangle rotates 180 degrees. So in the next figure, the black triangle should be pointing upwards, so we can rule out D. And the final rule is that the grey triangle rotates 90 degrees in a clockwise direction. So we can work out that in the next figure, the grey triangle should be pointing towards the right, meaning that B is the correct answer. Now let's go on to the second question, and again I'll set a 20-second timer, and then once it's up I'll go through the question. Okay, so this question only has 2 rules. The first is that the arrow pointing towards the middle moves 45 degrees in an anti-clockwise direction. So we can work out that in the next figure, the arrow will be here pointing towards the left. So we can rule out C and D. The second rule is that the arrow pointing outwards moves 90 degrees in a clockwise direction. So in the next figure, this arrow should be pointing upwards, meaning the correct answer is B. Now let's go on to the last question, and again I'll give you 20 seconds and then I'll go through the answer. Okay, so this question has 3 rules. The first is that the white circle moves 3 spaces in a clockwise direction. So we can work out that in the next figure, the white circle should be here in the bottom right. So we can rule out D. The second rule is that the black circle alternates from being in the top right to being in the bottom left. So we can work out that in the next figure, the black circle should be here in the top right. So we can rule out B. And the third rule is that the crescent changes between black and grey. So in the next figure, the crescent will be grey, meaning that A is the correct answer. So those are all of the questions that I have for you in this video. I hope that they helped you, and if they did, please like the video and subscribe. And thank you for watching.